Hello everyone, how are you today? In this occasion, we are going to talk about listening TOEFL tests, especially the similarity and the difference between uh, paper listening TOEFL test and computer-based listening TOEFL test. Well, actually, the paper and computer listening TOEFL test or listening sections are similar in the two ways. They are similar in some of the passages and some of language skills. And how about the difference? The paper and the computer listening sessions are different in the use of visuals and the number of questions, the amount of time, the control of time between questions, and procedures as well as strategies. Well, on the paper TOEFL test, the first section is called listening comprehension. This session consists of 50 questions, so sometimes maybe longer. You will listen to recorded materials and respond to multiple choice questions about the material. You must listen carefully because you will hear the recording only one time and the material on the recording is not written in your textbook. So the listening TOEFL test consists of 3 types of questions or 3 parts. First is called short dialogues. Second is called long conversations. And the last, number 3, is called talks. What is short dialogue? Well, short dialogues are 2-line dialogues between 2 speakers, each followed by a multiple choice question. You will listen to each short dialogue and question on the recording and then choose the best answer to each question from the 4 choices in your textbook. The 30 short dialogues and 30 questions about them make up part A of the paper TOEFL listening test. Now we come to the second part. It's called long conversations. Long conversations are 60 to 90-second conversations on casual topics between students, each followed by a number of multiple choice questions. You listen to each long conversation and each of the questions that accompany it on the recording and then choose the best answer to each question from the 4 choices in your textbook. The 2 conversations and the 7 to 9 questions that accompany them make up part B of the paper listening TOEFL test. We come to the last part, talks. Talks are 60 to 90-second talks about school life or an academic subjects, each followed by a number of multiple choice questions. You will listen to each lecture and each of the questions that accompany it on the recording and then choose the best answers to each question from the 4 choices in your textbook. The 3 lectures and the 11 to 13 questions that accompany them make up part C of the paper listening TOEFL test. Well, that's all our talk for this occasion, listening TOEFL section. They are short dialogues, long conversations, and talks. Thank you for watching and have a great day.